We move on to question number 11, Business Data Analytics, December 2022. Which of the following data visualization tools will likely present a relationship of more than two variables effectively? A. Scatter graph. B. Bubble chart. C. Column chart. D. Line chart. Data visualization. What is data visualization? Now, visualization involves creating visual representations of data in order to better understand and communicate its patterns, trends, and relationships. It involves what? Creating visual representation of data. That is, representing data in diagrams. All right? And there are several types of data visualization tools that can be used to present different types of data, including scatter graph, bubble charts, column charts, line charts, and so on. So what is a bubble chart? What is a scatter graph? What is a column chart? And out of these four, the question is, which one is more likely to present a relationship of more than two variables effectively? Let us examine each and every tool here, starting with the scatter graph, or sometimes referred to as a scatter plot. A scatter graph is a type of a chart that is used to display data with two variables. This one is two variables. The question says more than two variables. So therefore we knock out scatter graph because this one only represents two. It is a chart used to display data with two variables, but the question says more than two variables. And we know it consists of a set of data points plotted on a two-dimensional chart, with each data point represented as a dot. So this one is not an effective visualization tool when it comes to a representation of more than two variables. Then we have a bubble chart. A bubble chart is a type of a chart that is used to display data with three variables, more than two variables, three variables. It consists of a set of points plotted on a two-dimensional chart, with each data point represented as a circle or a bubble. And the position of a bubble on the chart represents the values of the three variables, and the size of the bubble can be used to represent an additional variable. So therefore, candidates, bubble charts are particularly effective at showing relationships with more than two variables. So the answer here is bubble chart. Column chart cannot be as effective as a bubble chart. Why? Because the column charts are used for comparing data, but they are not as effective at showing relationship between variables as bubble charts. Then there is the line chart. The line chart is yet another type of a chart that is used to display data with one or two variables. It consists of a set of data points plotted on a two-dimensional chart, with each data point connected by a line. That's why it is referred to as a line chart. and they are useful for showing trends over time or comparing data, but they are not as effective at showing relationship between variables as bubble charts. So the answer to business data analytics question number 7 is B. Which of the following data visualization tools will likely present a relationship of more than two variables effectively? The answer is bubble chart.